Assalamu alaikum everybody. So this is another question for shifts of PPC. The question here says, analyze using a PPC diagram the possible effects of faster internet speeds for economic growth. So faster internet speeds will increase the connectivity of everybody. So that means it's very easy to communicate with my suppliers. It's very easy to communicate with distributors. If we are a firm, it's very easy to organize production because communication becomes very clear because of faster internet speeds, and basically it increases connectivity in the economy. So that is going to shift the PPC outwards, because this will basically increase the productive potential of the economy, because now it's much easier to communicate with people, and it's very easy to access the internet. Therefore it will lower our costs of production. So I'll just shift the PPC outwards. I'll make a new PPC here. So the black curve will be PPC1, the new curve will be PPC2, and the shift will be shown by an arrow. So the shift is basically the PPC is shifting outwards, and then we need to write the analysis. So I'll write here that faster internet speeds will improve connectivity, make communication easier, reduce the costs of production of firms. This will also increase the investment by firms. Hence the productive potential of the economy will increase, and it will lead to economic growth. So this will increase the overall output of the economy in future. Also this will help the firms lower their costs. So that will be a very good thing for the economy, very positive, because that will contribute to the output of the economy. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for this question.